Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you, my dear students and all the persons who are watching my channel. So this is the not only a channel, this is the your own home. You are a family now, because we started this channel as a stranger persons to each other, stranger students. So now we became a family. So this is the message I am suggesting to my students, which are the facing some problems in his life. So that's why I am not delivering any lecture to you, and you are requesting to visit my channel and see this video for a suggestion message. So the most important message for the students in this time period is that you need to keep strong determination, because the ups and downs are the part of life. You always need belief on your Allah and yourself. So first of all, Jummah Mubarak to all of you, and the message for the students and any student in the world, in the nation. So my message is that you have the most important of the part of life. This is the most important part of your life, and you need to stay on your decisions. Sometimes you feel that you are aparting from this, so don't let it down. So keep strong yourself and keep your determination strong. So ups and downs always are a part of life, so don't let it down. You need to stay strong. So no person in the life is a perfect man. The only perfect personality is the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I am following the only personality that is the perfect Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You need to follow the life of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam for your successes of your life. So do your best. Don't think about your CGPA and your marks. This is not your future. The only your future is to how much you are strong, how much you have knowledge. So what you will deliver in the future, and what will be the person you are facing. So no one is a perfect person. This is a clear thing. So even no one is a perfect. I have also suggestion from my students. I am delivering such lecture to this period. So no more have a lecture for this session of students. So I am requesting him for the best of luck for their papers. They are facing online exams. So always the possibility of problems there. You need to solve these problems in a best way, in a better way. So message for all of the students in the world and every person of every field. So no person can think about this message as a parting from study. So every person need to do is have strong determination. First of all, he has to do his best for the job he is facing, he is doing for his life. So I am suggesting my students to keep determination, and when they feel depressive mind, so they need to be strong there. The weakness always there, but you need to strong you need to have keep determination, you need to have belief, you need to have self belief and belief on Allah Almighty. So this is the not only a video that you are watching, this is a clear message. This is a clear message for every person, not only the students. So I am experiencing different ways of life. Sometimes you need to be a depressive mind when you feel such difficulties, but you are requesting that you need to be strong, you need to have. This is the age of negativity. This is the age of negativity. You need to convert this negativity as a positive thing. When you are converting the negativity into positive, you are a success man, you are a success person, you are a success person. So you don't shy on your abilities. You don't need to hidden these abilities. You have to flourish these abilities. You need to have expand these abilities. You always have a strong mind when you are facing these problems in your life. So I am also conveying this message for a best of luck to the students. They are facing online exams, though holding in these days. So the other person who is watching this video, he need to be stay on his purpose of life. He need to be strong. So after that, when he is struggling in his life, he may have more successes in his life. So I am also talking about the most beneficial Allah Almighty. I have a belief on only Allah Almighty, and then after that I have on myself. And you need to have flourish your abilities. You need to have strong confidence for such a part of life. In this part of life, you may have more and many different experiences in your life. In this part of your life, so you need to have strong determination. This is the only thing you are watching this. The only thing that is the strong determination. So I am not thinking about the students who they thought about himself, they are nothing. I am telling to those, they are everything when they are strong. They doesn't matter any CGPA they got, doesn't matter. The only matter is what are they learning, what are they thinking, what type of thinking they have. The only positive thing can change your life. You don't need to change your path. You are always have to such thinking like a person who is facing any problem in his life. He always need to find out the way when he is better, when he is keep do his better for the solution of these problems. So the problem is not only in the mathematics, as I am teaching mathematics. Every type of problems you are facing in your life, you need to have a better solution for this. So my students are always have a keep eye on me, what I am doing for them. So maybe I am not doing in this session well. So I am trying to do myself as a better person who is delivering his lecture for a good manner way. So I am wishing a good and best of luck to the students who is facing online exams, and also have some type of suggestion that I suggest in starting. The end of this video will be a good message for all of you. The most important thing you need to face a problem in your life is to find a better way for this solution. So ups and downs are your life, a part of your life. Don't need to be apart from these struggles. You don't need to. No one can defeat you whenever you are a strong person. So first of all, you need to be a strong person, and you need to have strong determination. So I am wishing best of luck for my students and every person of this world. He is struggling in his life. So I am also praying for my students and students of the world. They may have more successes in his life. And I am also a teacher. Teacher is not he is the person who is delivering only mathematics. The teacher is the person who have solution of the problems of the every field of life. So I am in the last saying this to all of you. Stay with me and keep suggest me from any part of in the world, any part of world. So I am always have eye on such suggestions. So stay safe and have successes in your life. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.